right now is that I don't want to be poor again because I know what it feels like.
The cost of living has gotten out of sight, and there is no safety net for the elderly.
Bills are harder to pay because everything costs more.
For you to turn it into a personal income generating machine for yourself and your family. So, what can Tesla Bot Gen 3 actually do and can't do yet? And why does Elon Musk call it a money-making machine of the future? At the 2025 Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon Musk introduced the Tesla Bot Optimus as a solution that could eliminate poverty, not through policy, not through aid, but through intelligent machines capable of performing the tasks humans can no longer do or shouldn't do. At this point, it's no longer just theory, because if Tesla Bot Gen 3 can outperform humans in precision, labor, and even surgery, then the idea that each person could generate one or even multiple streams of passive income is no longer far-fetched. It's entirely possible. Set to debut this April, Optimus Gen 3 represents a major leap forward from its 2.5 predecessor, with significant improvements expected across design, performance, and overall capability. Elon Musk has hinted at practical applications as early as 2026, including using Optimus for food delivery at supercharger stations. While the latest third-generation Optimus might initially take on the role of serving popcorn as before, a rapid promotion isn't impossible. A major part of that progress comes from its upgraded hands. Optimus is now equipped with around 50 actuators and an impressive 22 degrees of freedom in each hand, allowing for highly refined and natural movements. It's no longer limited to basic gripping. This robot can now handle delicate actions like pressing, shaping, twisting, and manipulating small items with remarkable precision. On the intelligence side, Tesla has integrated its next-generation AI 5 chip, delivering a substantial increase in computing power. Combined with advanced voice capabilities powered by Grok, Optimus can process commands more efficiently and interact in a far more natural, human-like way than before. Recently, Tesla revealed a glimpse of its growing Optimus team, over 200 engineers, alongside what appears to be an early Gen 3 prototype. Although its dark, Terminator-like design has sparked mixed reactions, it may simply be concealing major upgrades beneath the surface, ones Tesla isn't fully ready to reveal just yet. While early demonstrations drew skepticism due to awkward movement and limited functionality, recent updates highlight a system increasingly capable of performing practical tasks in both industrial and domestic environments. One of the most compelling indicators of real-world labor capability lies in Optimus's improving mobility. Earlier versions of the robot moved slowly, at around 1 m per second, and relied on a bent-knee walking posture that appeared unnatural. However, this design is a deliberate engineering choice to maintain balance by lowering the center of gravity. Stability is critical for robots operating in unpredictable environments, especially factories, where surfaces may vary and obstacles are common. Recent updates show a clear evolution. Optimus now demonstrates a smoother, more human-like gait with straighter legs and coordinated arm movement. For a humanoid robot to walk upright without losing balance, its motors must deliver force with extreme accuracy and consistency. This level of control suggests that Optimus is approaching the mechanical sophistication needed for sustained real-world deployment. Speed is another factor tied directly to labor efficiency. While still not matching human walking speed, Optimus has reportedly improved from 1 m per second to approximately 1.4 m per second, with a long-term goal of 2.2 m per second. In environments such as factories, where time directly translates to cost, even incremental increases in speed can significantly enhance overall efficiency.